Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. I am Fifi and we are busy with the picket fence, and in this week's segment I am cutting the planks into pointy shapes that you will see as we go along on the video. Please do stay tuned, and by the way, happy new year to you all. And oh yes guys, before I forget to mention once again, the use of power tools, it is at your own risk. Please do take precautions and make sure that you are super focused when you are using power tools. We don't want those hands to be cut off right now, do we? And yes, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified of when I upload my next video. And as you can see on this video, I am measuring the planks to size so that we will be able to have a uniform structure like picket fence. And yeah, it is a bit daunting, but then once it gets to the end, it is all worth it. So yeah, please do stick around, like the video, please do comment what have you found interesting thus far with this project. It is slowly but surely coming to an end, guys, and I am hoping that you will stick around up until we get to the final product. I promise you I will not disappoint. So yeah, please stick around and do watch this video, comment, like and subscribe to my channel. That would make me happy, and yeah, thank you so much. Alright guys, as you can see, this is a stockpile of the picket fence. This is what I've managed to cut thus far, and hoping that my measurements are correct. But then yeah, so basically what's gonna happen now is I just need to make sharp pointy thing on the stockpile. Then just after that it would be ready for assembling. And yeah, we are going to make my vegetable patch beautiful. We are going to dress her with this nice picket fence that would be lovely to see the end product of it. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's see what needs to happen, then assemble this baby, and then just after that it would be ready for painting. Yeah. Okay guys, as you saw earlier on, I was actually doing measurements in order for me to cut this nice picket fence spiky thing on the planks. And it so happened that there is a quicker and nice and awesome way which is going to make my life very easy. So what happened is, on the machine itself we clamped in a plank to just block off this wood from going any further. So basically all the wood would basically be stopped by this plank, and it would give a very perfect and uniform measurement for the picket fence itself. So yeah, we just needed this one And if you can see, it's just after the blade itself, and where it is, you can see it's not disturbing the blade, but then however it is a nice barrier that blocks the wood from going any further. So I just cut through and flip and cut through, and I get that beautiful picket fence like look. And let me just show you. And the nicest thing about this method now is I've scraped the measuring of the planks all together, and it is very fast. It's really very fast. I think these I've done in the past 3 minutes, and if that is the rate, I mean, surely I would be done with this stack in a jiffy. So I don't know if you want to see how I think that was less than 30 seconds, so I'm quite chuffed with this method. So hopefully it will speed up things for me, and yeah, I can't wait to get this whole baby done.
One eternity later.
Okay, this is basically the entire picket fence structure. It has been cut to size, and if you can see here, all of these nice planks have now been converted into pointy ends, which would be the upper part to the picket fence. And if you come here, I've already put a module or template, or what you call this, basically this would be how the picket fence would be assembled together. So this would be the one module. As you can see, there is one long plank on the side that would be anchored into the ground to support the whole structure, and I'm going to repeat this process for all the other planks, and then get a pile of these and paint them. Then they are ready to be assembled. Yeah, these are the long ones that have pointy ends on either side. These are the ones that I'm going to be using to anchor into the ground. And if you can see, just one stack here, there is short ones and there is long ones. So basically this one would be the one that is used to join these small planks here to just form a nice picket structure like this one. And as soon as they are painted and ready for the garden, they will be assembled around the veggie patch. So yeah, this is it. This is the almost final look. Just needs to be assembled, joined together, painted, and put on the patch.